Remember, you access your Google Drive through your email. At least that's one way you can do it. So let's go back up to the top right to this waffle and click and head over to Google Drive. If you're new to Google Drive, your drive is going to be empty, okay? But it will soon get filled up by documents that you create and by documents that other people share with you. So let's have a look down on the side here. Okay. Here is where you will see your drive, something called a team drive, which we'll talk about later. Okay. And then documents that are shared with me. So let's say your teacher has asked you to write your assignment using a Google Doc, and your teacher has asked you to share your document with her. So let's go up to New, Google Docs. And what you see now is something that looks very much like a Word document page. The first thing you want to do is give your document a title. Remember that you are only creating one document, but your teacher is going to have all the students in the class share each document with him or her. So we are going to end up receiving maybe 15 or 20 different documents. So it's really useful for us to have your name as part of the title so we can know whose document is whose. Yeah. All right, so you've given your document a title, and now you're ready to start typing your assignment. Computers and cell phones. Okay, so you go on to continue your paragraph or your essay. You've got it finished and you're ready to share it. So you're going to come over to the share button, which is up here. And when you hover over it, you're going to see that it's private only to me. That means that the only person right now that can see this document is me, because I haven't shared it with anybody. But I want to share it with my teacher. So I'm going to click on share. I'm going to enter the email address of my teacher. Okay. And maybe I want to share it with a classmate. If I do, then I can enter another name over here. Okay. So you could enter more names if you wanted to. I could share it with Narumi, for example. Whoops. Okay. And you'll notice over here there's a pencil. Okay. That means that the person that you're sharing it with can edit your document. If you only want the person you are sharing it with to comment, or you only want that person to view it but not be able to change anything on it, you need to decide what you want to set the sharing preferences as. Okay? Let's say you're working with a group on a presentation, a class presentation, and you've got some information you'd like to share with your group members, but you want to make sure that nobody changes anything that you have written. You can share it, but then you can set the preference to view only. Okay? And that means that your classmates can't change anything on your document. Okay? But with your teachers, and possibly also with your classmates, you'll need to select edit so that we can make comments and we can edit your work. You can add a note. Look forward to your feedback. Or you can leave this part blank if you like. And then you're going to press send. Okay. Now you can see up here, it's been shared with one person. And when I go back over to where it says share, instead of now saying private only to me, it says that it's shared with one person. Okay. And if we go back in and click on that share button, you can see down at the bottom here, it says shared with Desiree Belter. Okay. One of the great things about creating Google Documents is that you never need to worry about saving them. The documents always exist in the cloud. So as soon as you open a Google document, everything you do in that document automatically gets saved. Okay? Every change you make is automatically saved in Drive. And it says the last edit was 3 minutes ago. So this is the wonderful thing about Google Drive, is that you don't have to save it on a flash drive, you don't have to upload it somewhere or download it somewhere or transfer it somewhere else. It'll always live in Drive, and Drive is an online storage system. So it means that you can access this document from your phone, from your home computer, from a computer in the computer lab, a borrowed computer from a friend, any place where you can access the internet, you can see all of your documents on Drive, all of the ones that you have created and all of the ones that have been shared with you.